Not all cough syrups are the same. Before diving into the topic, make sure subscribe to my channel. Cough syrups are chosen based on the type of cough, dry or wet. For dry cough, antitussives like dextromethorphan or codeine act on the cough center in the brain and suppress the cough reflex. For wet cough, expectorants like guaifenesin increase the mucus secretion and mucolytics like bromhexin break the thick mucus to ease expectoration. If cough is due to allergy, antihistamines like chlorpheniramine reduce postnasal drip. For asthmatic cough, bronchodilators like salbutamol are used. So choose the cough syrup wisely.